Hey, 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 what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, I'm going to take you on a nice, brief tour of the 2024 Rockwood Signature 8265 kbh. And this is going to be a pretty darn awesome couples coach. You can see here on this one in particular, they have the auto leveling equipped. You also have the steps that flip up into the doorway, but they're also on the old strut assist, which is pretty nice. So, if you have a hard time getting these big old clunky things up and down, you don't have to worry about it falling, and bonking your head. Dual axle with tire pressure monitoring system and Goodyear tires. You also get the frameless windows, a 2-top burner right outside with metal cabinetry or metal counters, and then wooden cabinetry. Even back here is real wood, which a lot of brands, they'll have wood here, but they'll have a press board there. You also get an exterior refrigerator that's big enough for probably about a 60 rack of apple juice, no problemo. An area for your TV with a bracket located right here. You can also attach, various things like, maybe a griddle or an outdoor, I don't know where I was going with that. I'm blanking. You get your screenshot, so that's going to help close the door behind you. And then as you walk inside, by the way, all the specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes, will be down in the description, along with a link for the pricing if this is something that interests you. So right here, you're going to notice 6'1", 6'2", tall, high slides. And when I was saying this is a couples coach, that's because there's really nowhere for the grandkids to sleep over. So predominantly, this is going to be like a traveling couple or just somebody that needs like an apartment on wheels. So you got the recliners right here with stainless steel cup holders. You're also going to have a little power station right there to charge up your phone and an area where you can, store maybe a book or two. You're also going to notice the windows. They are tinted. They open up for a good breeze. The back one is an emergency exit, pull, push, and plop. But they also come with the day and night shades, the half Dracula and full Dracula. I like how the valances just go up the top. They don't run down the sides. You're going to have a 12-volt refrigerator with a freezer section, and a refrigerator section. So, it's good for a long weekend for sure. Plenty of cabinetry over here, plenty of storage, rather, I guess I should say. And then, I'd almost like to see this kind of removable so you can make this one hanging closet, if you would like. Now you turn around, I think this is what's really special about this camper, is this area is absolutely perfect for 1 to 2 people. One, you get a ton of countertop space, but you also get a pretty decent amount of storage just right here, for all of your stuff. Right here you got the 2 areas for where you can sit down. You're also going to have some outlets. Over on this side, I could totally see you putting in some dishes and whatnot, but you also have the hanging octopus guys. And then bada bing, bada boom for all your slides, tank levels, solar amp charge controller, all that good stuff kind of located in one area. But breakfast nook, solid surface countertops. Babe, if you're watching, I love you. You have a TV that's directly across from your theater seating, which is always nice. And then you have your stainless steel under-mounted bowl right here, whoosh, 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 hitting those dishes from all angles. You got windows on both sides with a power tower that's collapsible over in the corner. And then you're going to have 3 of these drawers. The bottom 2 just aren't going to have the little dish tray. And then a place, maybe for a brush. And then obviously garbage can, access to your plumbing, 3 stovetop burner, and a big enough oven for some chickens, DiGiorno, some pizzas, all that good stuff. Good old microwave with potato mode. We all need a microwave with potato mode, that is for sure. And then you're heading into the bathroom, which the only thing I don't really like about this camper is I wish that toilet was maybe on an angle. But it is a porcelain throne, so you big bellies out there, you are feeling nice, safe, and secure, no problemo. Above the exterior kitchen, massive storage for massive stuff. Doesn't get much better than that. You even got some more hanging items and a steamer sink sucker right up there. You got a mirror to check out the old bowling gun, baby. And then more countertop space, stainless steel bowl, accent lighting, a little bit more storage here, a little bit more storage there. And then you also have a shower that's big enough, for 1 or for 2 if you guys are skinny. And then you got a good place to sit down, shave your legs, do your thing. As far as height is concerned, I'm 6 feet tall. You're probably looking at 6'8" into here, possibly even bigger. But then, probably about 6'4", 566 right there. You're also going to get the shower miser. So basically you flip this down, stops water from coming out of this faucet, so that way you know, the water will sit there and churn and churn and churn and heat up. This will turn white, and then boom, that's when you know you can kick it on and you got your hot water. Here's where you control the heat and the AC. You also have your AC right here, 15K with a dump valve, so if you're not going to be hanging out in the bedroom, disproportionately push all that cool air into this room. You're ready to rock. You got a second one back in the bedroom too, so more of the same. Open up the dump valve. You're not going to use the living room, but the bedroom is pretty darn incredible. You got not only a ton of walk around room, you have your fuse box that's here and out of the way, but you also get a ton of storage. You're going to get 4 just like this, but the bottom 2 being twice the depth. Emergency exit, outlets, and then another TV right here, an Insignia, so that's going to be a little smart TV for you. And then right there, some hanging room. I mean, just a ton of hanging room. A little bit more countertop space with all the outlets that you need. And then just a hair more storage, maybe for some junk. And then you have, you know, obviously a window for a great view. And you also get, you know, your nightshade if you want to get your Dracula on back here as well. East to west slide bed. It's going to be a king. And you also have your lights, overhead storage, windows on both sides with counters on both sides, and the appropriate plug-ins. Open this up, you're going to notice that there is, where the heck's the handlebar? Aluminum studded around here and 2 pull-out drawers. But drop a comment, let me know what you think. If you guys have made it this far, if you don't mind, hit that like and subscribe button for me. Again, all the specifications, length, height, tank sizes, awning sizes, will be down in the description, along with a link for the pricing. It's the 2024 Rockwood Signature, 8265 KBS. Now we're back on the outside. So, fiberglass exterior, molded fiberglass front cap, 6-sided aluminum frame construction with a rock guard, power tongue jack, propane tanks right here, and then an area where you can put, you know, 1 to 2 batteries. This is going to be the control for your docking light, for your auto level, and then your solar on the side where you can put in a 20 amp solar. You also have your potable water hookup right there. And then, you know, an area to hang up a couple things like a griddle. And then again, 2 stovetop burner, an area for, you know, that 60 rack, and then, you know, your countertop cabinet space. You also have your awning, which is going to be a 12-volt awning too. So if you got the solar, which this will have 200 watts standard, but you can link up to 400 if you choose. You have a ladder that gets on top of your fully walkable roof. Check your seals, check your slides, and then a bumper with a 300-pound hitch rating, or tow rating, hitch rating, I'm sorry, as well. Hot and cold water in the form of an outside shower. City water connection, anti-outlet, antifreeze inlet to antifreeze. Jeez, oh Pete's. And then you have your black tank flush, which is going to be a sprinkler system for your poop tank. And then your cable, satellite, a little light back here. And then here's going to be where you plug in the unit. You got your dump valve is going to be, you know, right here for your gray and your sewer outlet connection. And then this one comes with 2 slide toppers, which are not standard, but they're very handy in case something falls on top of this. When you close this up, it won't puncture into your slide. Again, you got your dual axle with the Goodyear tires and tire pressure monitoring system, which is going to scream at you basically if you're too inflated, overinflated, underinflated, you know, all that good stuff. And then boom, we're out of here. But all right, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the quick tour. Again, my name is Hunter, and this was the 2024 Rockwood Signature 8265 KBS. Have a great day. See you.